now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Kicks coming out. That's not safe. What is up, YouTube? Mark Kicks coming at you with another video. We're locked in. Early pair. Something like that. Also, if you need these, message me. Message me on Instagram. And obviously we can get you a pair. And we can get you a pair ASAP too. We can get you a pair before December. So just hit me up and that's what we gonna do. Alright, big facts. Alright. Nike, what'd you do? Nike, what's up? Most tightly packed box. So I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why you should buy the Jordan 11 Concords. Reasons why you shouldn't is because it keeps coming in these trash old boxes. Stop! Where's the old 11s boxes, bro? You lucky I don't have my boxes over here. But the boxes used to be such like a production. They made them feel special. It was a different shoe. Now they're just taking the cheap way out of it, but they're not bringing the price down. I don't understand, man. I don't understand. Reason 1 why you should buy the Jordan Concords is obviously because it is a classic shoe. A lot of people just don't understand Concords in general, but it's all because of this like purple color right here. It's not the actual. Sometimes shoes will say, oh, it's a Concord colorway, and it won't have any purple. Like I saw it on Twitter the other day. It makes no sense. But this shoe, it has purple hints there and on the tongue thing area. So yes, Concords, it's a classic shoe. This one has the 45 when Mike came back in the 4.5. And y'all remember when the guy said, I couldn't do that to 23, but I could do that to 45. And then Mike switched back to 23 and gave him 50. End of story. The second reason why you should buy these, you don't have to fight over them. The last time these came out, there were riots across the country. And I know y'all know about the Get Money boys.
Wasn't worth it.
Crazy up in there. I don't have time to sit up in there. People are already trying to fight and everything. It's not even worth it.
I'm in the guys who's got one of the first pairs. What's your name, sir?
Curtis Solomon. I'm a shoe connoisseur. I've been getting shoes. It was crazy out here. Like, you know, me and a group of my friends, you know, from Lakewood, we get a lot of money, so it's nothing to us to buy shoes. 30 pair of tennis shoes to a store.
Man, I say one mama was in tears because she couldn't get the shoes for her kids. You know, it break our hearts out here though. But you know what? The Get Money boys, we do have some shoes we are selling. So parents, look us up. You know.
All right. Okay. All right.
So yeah, the Get Money boys was out there. Kids couldn't get their shoes. Dudes jacking people over these shoes. They were hard to get. When they first dropped, I think it was under 80,000 pairs or something. It was just chaos. All over the world, everybody wanted the Concord 11s. They were impossible to get. So yeah, everybody camped out for these. Obviously, I was too young. Parents wouldn't let me, so didn't have them. But we will have them this time. And the third reason you should cop is because this is the beginning of the end for Jordan brand. They are killing every classic shoe that they've ever made. So they will just keep releasing. I'm pretty sure soon they'll do another Bread 1 drop and there'll be 1 million pairs. Now I think that's the thing. It's just the new thing. We're gonna come out with 1 million pairs. They did it with the Cream Yeezys, retail. They did it with these, retail. So they're just gonna come out and they're just gonna flood the market. I don't know what it is. I don't know the strategy behind it. The pairs will sit, but I mean, they making bread. If you made 1 million pairs and it still sells out, think about how much bread that is. So eventually these will sell out, but they will stay around the same price. But you can say I was the one that copped the beginning of the end Concord 11. This is what we doing. Also, here's how you know how big this shoe is. Holy, look how big it is over my face, man. And I got a big old head. Oh my God. Hey man, NBA sizes, what can I say? But yes, good luck. hit me up if you want to cop. I still got pre-orders, and you know, I will do a good price because I am a nice guy. But yes, Mark Kicks, holla at you, boy.